In this video, we're going to look at some statistics related to the binomial distribution. So we'll start with the mean of the binomial distribution. And the mean is equal to the expected value for this binomial distribution, which is n times pi, where n is the number of trials and pi is the probability of success. Does this make sense? Well, if we roll 24, let's suppose we roll 24 six-sided die, and we want to know how many sixes do we expect to appear. Well, if this is a fair die, so the probability of rolling a 6 is 1/6, then out of 24 trials, we expect that 6 to show up 4 of those times, right? That should be our expectation. Clearly, that's not always going to happen, but that's what we should expect to happen. That's the most likely occurrence. Well, exactly how do we get that? Well, we take the 24 and we multiply that by the probability of rolling a 6, in other words, 1/6. So this is exactly what we should expect. Okay. And then furthermore, what is the variance? Right? When we talk about the mean, we also talk about the variance and the standard deviation. So the variance is VAR of x is equal to n times pi times 1 minus pi. And so the standard deviation is sigma, which is the square root of sigma squared, which, by the way, sigma squared is another way to write out the variance, which is the square root of the variance of x, which is the square root of n times pi times 1 minus pi. And again, pi is the probability of success. And so here's our formulas for the variance and standard deviation on a binomial distribution. And that's where we'll actually end this video.